up, everybody? So I'm on my way to the train station. Gonna be switching hotels because originally I had flew into Osaka, but I'm gonna be flying out of Kobe, so I want to get a little bit closer to the airport because it's like an hour and a half ride away. But walking to the train station right now. Yeah, because I could stay here for another day, but then I just have a 2-hour trip, roughly, to get to the airport. So I just want to reduce that up to about 30 minutes or less. So just going to move to a different spot. Then I'll be in Okinawa tomorrow.
If you find any value in the content that I create, please like and subscribe so you can be alerted anytime I make a video. Thank you.
Gotta carry this luggage down these stairs, so I'll be right back. Made it to the train station, which I had some lighter luggage. I had to carry my luggage down like 4 flights of stairs, but just waiting on the train. The train I'm supposed to catch, supposed to be here in about 10 minutes. But this is the station. Got about an hour ride to Kobe from Osaka. Got a train pulling up on the other side.
A train bound for Osaka is arriving at track 2.
Good thing about Japan, the trains are always on time. Let me get out of these people's way. So I made it to Kobe. Just gotta walk to the hotel now. Just sucks because it's 12 o'clock and I can't check into my room until about 2. But yeah, we here. You know what thing that's crazy? When I was at that first train station, I carried my bags down like 4 flights of stairs. Once I get to the bottom, that's when I see the signs for the elevators. So if you're at a train station and you got bags, look for them elevator signs. Yeah, it's just like when you focus on getting from point A to point B, sometimes you just be forgetting things. Like life could be a lot easier than what it is. I think this is the hotel right here, Pearl City. Hopefully they got a restaurant in there. Oh, it looks like they do. Chill for a couple hours. Yeah, some hotels will let you check in earlier if you pay a fee. So we'll see what's going on. I don't read Japanese, but I'm gonna assume that says go to the next door. Let me go ahead and figure out what's going on real quick. Be right back. Yeah, so check-in ain't until 2 o'clock, but they was able to store my luggage for me for the next 2 hours or whatever. And they got this little lounge area where you could just come and relax. They also got Wi-Fi that you could get. Look like the restaurant over there in the corner. But go check out their menu. Yeah, because I haven't ate today. So it is lunchtime if I can get something good. Prices ain't too bad. You want to grab me something to eat. Be right back. So I finally got to my room at the Pearl City Hotel in Kobe. Let's take a tour of it real quick. So got the door right there. Then when you walk into the right, you got your closet. As soon as you open up, the light comes on. Nice size closet. And everything. I was happy because I accidentally booked a smoking room, but they was able to give me a non-smoking room, which is more spacious. But here's the bathroom. Beds. What's cool about this, you usually could operate all the lights from this little panel right here. Set your alarm. Got desk and TV. Nice view of the city. Does this window open? Yep, there we go. Nice view. So that's the room. I can't remember. I think I paid about like $60 a night for this one. But I'm only gonna be here for a night, just using it to be closer to the airport for my flight to Okinawa tomorrow. So until next time, deuce.